Hello, welcome back to Daily English Talk, the channel where you practice real English every single day.
Hey everyone, I'm Tom, and I'm so glad you're here with us today.
I'm Lily, and if this is your first time here, welcome! You just found your new favorite English channel.
We upload every single day, so make sure you hit that subscribe button. Don't miss a single lesson.
If this is your first time here, welcome to the family. We are so happy you found us.
And if you are coming back, thank you so much. We make new videos every single day just for you.
Today's topic is so fun. We are talking about social media English.
Yes, the words and phrases you see every day on your phone, on Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, Twitter.
Basically everywhere.
Basically everywhere.
And the best part? You already use social media, so today you are going to understand it in English.
By the end of this video, you'll know how to talk about posts, comments, followers, going viral.
All of it, so stay with us. And hey, if you are not subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button right now.
We upload every single day. You do not want to miss a video.
Okay, let's start. But first, before we start teaching, I have a question for you.
Ooh, what is it?
Tom, tell me honestly, when was the last time something embarrassing happened to you because of social media? Something happened, didn't it?
Maybe.
Okay. Everyone, Tom made a pretty big social media mistake this week. What do you think he did? Write your guess in the comments. We will tell you the full story at the end of the video.
I cannot believe you are doing this to me.
It's okay, Tom. It's funny. Trust me.
Fine, fine.
Okay, so Tom, tell me, do you use social media a lot?
I mean, yes, but I feel like I never know what people are saying in English.
Really? Like what?
Okay, the other day I was scrolling through Instagram, right?
Yeah.
And I saw this video. It had like 2 million views, and everyone in the comments was saying, "This is so viral," and "OMG, he's blowing up."
And you had no idea what they meant?
I thought blowing up was bad, like something exploded.
Oh no, Tom.
I was like, is everyone okay?
That is the best thing I have heard today.
Look, it made sense to me at the time.
Okay, and then what happened?
Okay, so then I wanted to comment on a post, and I wanted to say I liked it, but I didn't know if I should like it, heart it, or stan it.
Oh, you don't know what stan means?
I didn't. Not in English.
Okay, this is exactly why we are making this video today.
Thank you, Lily. Truly.
And okay, wait, so what was the big mistake? The one I mentioned at the beginning.
I will tell them later.
He will. Don't worry. Stay until the end. Okay, before we get into vocabulary, let's look at a grammar point. And it comes right from our conversation just now.
Oh, which part?
This sentence. The video has 2 million views, or everyone was commenting on it.
Present perfect and past continuous?
Close. Today, let's focus on one simple structure, using is plus a verb with ing to talk about what's happening right now on social media.
Can you give an example?
Sure. The video is going viral. Everyone is sharing this post. She is gaining followers fast.
Oh, so is plus the verb plus ing.
Exactly. It's called the present continuous, and on social media, people use it all the time because everything is happening right now.
It's very live, very in the moment.
Right. So when you see something trending, you say, "This is trending," not "this trends."
This is trending.
Perfect. And you can also say, "I am following her," not "I follow her," although both are okay. But "I am following" sounds more current, more active.
Like it's happening right now, right this second.
Exactly. Okay, let's go to vocabulary. Ready?
Ready.
All right, social media vocabulary. We have some great words for you today.
And we are going to use them in real sentences, not boring sentences, real ones.
Real and slightly embarrassing ones.
Thanks for that.
Word number 1, post.
Post.
Post. Say it with us. Post.
Post.
A post is anything you share on social media, a photo, a video, a text update. If you put it on Instagram, it's a post. If you write something on Facebook, it's a post.
So a post is the thing you share.
Exactly. Now, I have a little story. Last week, Tom made a post, and he meant to post it on his private account.
Don't.
He posted it on his public account with 800 followers.
It was a photo of my breakfast.
A very detailed photo of scrambled eggs.
I was proud of those eggs.
And people could see it. Okay, so example sentence. She made a post about her vacation.
She made a post about her vacation.
Your turn. Say it. She made a post about her vacation. Word number 2, like.
Like.
Like. Everyone say it. Like.
Like.
On social media, a like is when you press the heart button or the thumbs up. It means you enjoy something.
You can like a photo, like a comment, like a video.
And you can also say to get likes, like this photo got 500 likes.
That is actually very motivating.
Is it?
When my scrambled egg post got 32 likes, I felt incredible.
It got 32 likes?
People love eggs, Lily.
Okay, example sentence. I liked her photo.
I liked her photo.
Say it. I liked her photo. Word number 3, follower.
Follower.
Follower. Repeat after us. Follower.
Follower.
Follower is someone who subscribes to your social media account. They see your posts, they get updates from you.
Just like on YouTube, subscribers are kind of like followers.
Exactly, and you can have a lot of followers or just a few. Both are totally fine.
Haha, I have many followers now, all because of the eggs.
The egg followers.
A loyal fan base.
Okay, example sentence. She has 1 million followers on Instagram.
She has 1 million followers on Instagram.
Your turn. She has 1 million followers on Instagram. Word number 4, comment.
Comment.
Comment. Say it with us. Comment.
Comment.
A comment is a written message you leave under a post or a video. Like right now, if you type something in the comments below, that is a comment.
We love reading your comments, by the way.
We do, every single one.
And you can comment to say you liked something, or to ask a question, or just to say hello.
And the person who made the post can reply to your comment.
So it's like a conversation.
Yes, a conversation under a post. Now, I have a short story. Tom once left a comment on the wrong video.
Here we go.
He meant to comment, "Great video, I learned so much," on an English lesson. And instead, he wrote it on a cooking video for a beef stew recipe.
The chef was very touched.
Example sentence. She left a nice comment on my post.
She left a nice comment on my post.
Say it. She left a nice comment on my post. Oh, this one is so fun. Word number 5, viral.
Viral.
Viral. Everyone repeat. Viral.
Viral.
When something goes viral, it means it spreads very fast to millions of people. Everyone sees it, shares it, talks about it.
Like a really popular video or a funny photo or a surprising moment.
If something goes viral, it's everywhere.
Remember I told you earlier I thought going viral was bad?
Because of the word virus?
It sounds like a disease, going viral.
But it just means super popular, super fast.
I know that now.
Example sentence. His dance video went viral last night.
His dance video went viral last night.
Your turn. His dance video went viral last night. Word number 6, scroll.
Scroll.
Scroll. Say it. Scroll.
Scroll!
To scroll means to move up and down on your screen. When you are on TikTok or Instagram and you swipe your finger up, you are scrolling.
I scroll for way too long sometimes.
Aw, Tom.
I pick up my phone to check one thing, and then 30 minutes later I'm watching a video about penguins.
How did you get to penguins?
I don't know, I just keep scrolling.
This is called scrolling mindlessly. It happens to everyone.
Every day.
Example sentence. I was scrolling through Instagram for an hour.
I was scrolling through Instagram for an hour.
Say it. I was scrolling through Instagram for an hour. Word number 7. Share.
Share.
Share. Repeat. Share.
Share.
To share means to send a post to other people. You can share something on your own page or send it directly to a friend.
Like, if you see a funny video, you send it to your friend. You share it.
And sharing helps things go viral. The more people share something, the faster it spreads.
Yes, it is how a video goes from 10 views to 10 million views.
One share at a time.
And you can share this video too, by the way. Share it with a friend who is learning English.
Smooth, Tom.
I learned from the best.
Example sentence. She shared my video with her friends.
Your turn. She shared my video with her friends.
Word number 8. Hashtag.
Hashtag.
Hashtag. Say it together.
Hashtag.
Hashtag. A hashtag is the symbol hash followed by a word or phrase. People use hashtags to organize posts by topic.
So if you post a photo of your food, you might write hashtag food or hashtag yummy.
Or hashtag eggs.
Don't laugh, I used hashtag eggs and got 32 likes.
Okay. Hashtags help people find your post. When you click a hashtag, you see all posts with that same hashtag.
So it is a way to connect with people interested in the same topic.
Exactly. Example sentence. She used the hashtag travel on her photo.
She used the hashtag travel on her photo.
Say it. She used the hashtag travel on her photo. Word number 9. This one is very common. DM.
DM?
DM stands for direct message. It is a private message you send directly to someone on social media.
So not a comment that everyone can see, a private message just between two people.
Right. And people use it as a verb too. I will DM you. She DM'd me yesterday.
DM'd, past tense.
Exactly. It is very common in spoken English now too, even outside of social media.
I once got a DM from a stranger. It just said, nice eggs.
Because of the post.
Because of the post.
Example sentence. She sent me a DM to say thank you.
She sent me a DM to say thank you.
Your turn. She sent me a DM to say thank you. Last word. Word number 10. Trending.
Trending.
Trending. Everyone say it. Trending.
Trending.
When something is trending, it is very popular right now. A lot of people are talking about it or searching for it at the same moment.
On Twitter, or X, you can see a list of trending topics. These are the things everyone is talking about today.
And on TikTok, you can see trending sounds or trending dances.
Trending means right now this is the hot topic. This is what everyone cares about.
And it changes very fast. What is trending today might be gone tomorrow.
Social media moves so fast.
It really does. Example sentence. That song is trending on TikTok.
That song is trending on TikTok.
Say it. That song is trending on TikTok. Okay, here is your speaking challenge for today.
Tell us in the comments.
Which social media app do you use most? Instagram? TikTok? YouTube? Twitter?
Write it in English, just one sentence. I use Instagram every day, or my favorite app is TikTok.
We read every comment. We love seeing where you are from and how you use English.
And if you're feeling brave, tell us one thing you post about. Food, travel, music, pets?
Eggs, maybe?
Eggs are very valid.
Write your answer below. We will be there. Tom, honestly, I think that story made today's lesson unforgettable.
If it helps people remember the word DM, it was worth it.
Everyone at home, thank you so much for spending your English time with us today.
If this video helped you, please like it, leave a comment, and share it with one friend who is learning English.
And subscribe if you haven't yet. We upload a new video every single day.
Your English is getting better every day. We believe in you.
Keep going, keep practicing. You are doing amazing.
See you in the next video.
Bye-bye.
Bye.